Well, hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess and welcome to our lab exercises on GIS data types in ArcGIS Pro. This first lab exercise is all about connecting ArcGIS Pro to a folder that contains data. So you have all your class data that you should have downloaded and extracted by now. Now ArcGIS Pro won't automatically know where it is until we connect it this way, and thereafter it should be able to find that data. Now it can connect in two ways. The project that you create can store a connection, or you can store a connection in what they call the favorites part of ArcGIS Pro. If you just save it in the project, then it'll work fine within this project, but the next time you start ArcGIS Pro, it won't know where that is. So we're gonna see how to do it by adding it to the favorites section. All right, let's see. So we're going to open up a brand new ArcGIS Pro, and for this lab exercises, we're going to make a brand new catalog project. Okay, so you've downloaded your class data somewhere. You might notice that if you open up the folders here, these are folders that I have stored, but this is the folder of the current project that we're working in, and this is just one that I have hard-coded in there. But notice that our class data isn't here. We can't see the rest of the computer, any of the hard drives or the network or anything. So that's a problem when we want to use our class data folder. So we're going to connect to a folder. We're going to do it by connecting to it and putting it in this favorites section. That means it'll be available the next time we run ArcGIS Pro. So here we are going to click the add folder command. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is just showing you the various ways that you can connect to a folder. You can do it by clicking this add folder command that's right here. That will add a connection within this project, but it'll be forgotten after you close this project. Another way is you can just right click on this, and I'm going to right click. I get a little drop down menu, and there's an add folder connection option here. Either of those will add a folder to this project. Now we are going to do this option where we're going to add the item to the favorites. That's this button here. We just click it. We're going to add a folder. We have to go find the folder. I've got it stored in this path here. Here's our class data. Hit OK. Now if we open up the favorites, we see that we can find the data in this project. Now here's all the class data right here, so we're good to go. There actually is one more step though. Right now, if you make a new map, and let me just throw in a new map here real quick. I get a map, I hit the add data button here. For some reason, the people who programmed ArcGIS Pro decided not to give you your favorites over here in the list. So we can't actually find the favorites when we hit the add data button. No idea why that is. So what we're going to have to do is come back to catalog. Here's our favorites section. We need class GIS data to show up in the project. So what we do is we just right click on it and hit add to project. Bang, it appears up here. This just has a full path there, but yeah, this is our class GIS data. All right, so now it's added to the project. Come back to map, hit the add data button. Now we look in the folders here and we have our class data. So it's good to go.